Manipur Chief Minister BIREN has tested positive for COVID-19 today. BIREN in a Facebook post said he had undergone a test for COVID-19 after feeling unwell. He confirmed that he has been tested positive. He also informed all who came in close contact with him to get tested for COVID-19. Condemning the planting of a hand grenade at the CHAKKOUBA Bazaar residence of Khuraijam Nabakanta DSO OSD of Manipur Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution Department this morning by unidentified persons, the residents staged a sit-in protest. India reported 41,100 coronavirus cases, taking the total tally to 88,14,579 yesterday, as per the Union Health Ministry. The death toll has mounted to 1,29,635, with 447 deaths recorded in the past 24 hours. Total active cases are at 4,79,216 after a decrease of 1,503 in the last 24 hours. Total recovered cases are 82,05,728, with 42,156 new discharges in the last 24 hours. Amid rising border tension between Assam and Mizoram, Sarbananda Sonowal government has decided to increase the number of border outposts in the vulnerable stretches of the state. According to media reports, the Assam government has taken a lot of steps to improve VIGIL along the interstate border areas. On the joyous occasion of NINGOL CHAKKOUBA, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchan Singh has extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur. Manipur Agriculture, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister Oinam Lukhoi Singh has also wished the people of India, including Manipur, on the occasion of Diwali, the Festival of Lights. In a message, the minister stated that Diwali is one of the most important festivals of India, celebrated by people of all communities. It marks the victory of light over darkness, he mentioned. An earthquake of 5.2 magnitude on the Richter scale hit the northeastern states of India yesterday. According to National Center for Seismology, the earthquake hit around 2:20 p.m. The epicenter, according to the NCS, is at Myanmar at a depth of 30 km. So far, no casualties have been reported. Kundrakpam MLA TH Lokeshwar provided safe drinking water to the residents of Harauro, a model village. MLA Lokeshwar said that the initiative has been taken up under the centre, which has been making efforts to ensure that every household gets drinking water across the country. Social worker Maitram Sanatumba today distributed food to the monkeys of Mahabali Hanuman Mandir in Imphal East. Ibo Pishak distributed the edibles under the Healthy India, Healthy Manipur mission. A book written by Taurangbam Ongbi Kahajam Sanamachas Singha entitled Atiya Amasung Malem Leima was today released during a function held at the residence of Taurangbam Nimaichan Singha at Umetnagar in Hailakandi district of Assam. DHUBRI police arrested 4 drug suppliers along with contraband tablets and brown sugar during 2 separate operations yesterday. They were caught with 5,000 contraband tablets. The 2 other arrested drug suppliers were arrested with brown sugar during an operation led by the officer in charge of DHUBRI Sadar police station. Assam police has arrested 2 African nationals, including a woman, from a bus at Churaibari in Karimganj district for illegally entering India. The arrested Africans have been identified as Oladipudo Akanezak, aged 40 years, and Rutrel Andisi, aged 25 years. World Health Organization (WHO) said earlier that the risk of COVID-19 infection from frozen food remains low. China has again sounded an alarm after detecting virus samples on the packaging of a batch of Brazilian beef and Saudi Arabian shrimp.